This is our beautiful Goa. Today we'll visit Mr. Uday Deshmukh's farms. He's a dentist, but he chose to become a farmer. You know why? So let's find out.
कृषीवल कृषी करोनी राबती दिवस रात्र श्रमिक श्रम करोनी वस्तू ह्या निर्मितात. This quote tells us how a farmer works in the field so that we can eat food. Today we are going to go to a Goan farm. These Goan farms are a bit different than the others. So let's have a look at the Kulaga.
Bhed or Fatar Fodi. The roots of this plant are used in cases of kidney stones. This is called devil's spine. Okay, the leaves, two leaves of it, if consumed, takes care of constipation. This is Shatavari. Okay, the roots of this plant are used in, they are effective in lactation. Also, the oils from this oil of this plant are used in treating high blood pressure. This is a cinnamon tree. Okay, the leaves are called bay leaves. Okay, they usually used as an Indian spice in cooking. The bark is used as cinnamon. That's the spice that we get in the market. It has astringent properties. It helps in digestion. That's the reason we use it so easily in our Indian kitchen.
Let's see the farms of Goa, which are little different than others. These are farms locally known as Kulagar. They mostly have plantations of betel nuts, coconuts, and very important members of Indian kitchen spices. Cinnamon, pepper, bay leaves, and so on.
Kulagars have yards of betel nuts and coconut trees. Mango, jackfruit, and cashew trees are also planted in groves. A small area is also reserved for herbs and spices.
The Kulagars have different type of irrigation systems known as parts, in which the streams are channelized from the larger water bodies into the farms.
Sometimes wells are also used for irrigation. With the help of pumps, the water is pulled out and then it is channelized through the pits which are dug between the trees.
This is our native Goan breed of cow, which has recently got a status of indigenous breed of cows from Goa. She has been named as Shwet Kapila. Her name is Saraswati. Hello, come here. Come. So the features of her as she has a white muzzle, her horns are white, okay, her eyebrows and her nails as well. So this is Kailash, again a Shwet Kapila. He's a boy of 3 years. Okay, again his horns are white, his muzzle is white, his hoofs are white. He's a little bit mixed, that's the reason his tail is not as white as should be. But he's a good boy. So this is Kalki. She's one of the shortest cow. She's 3.5-year-old. She already gave birth to a calf last year. Unfortunately, it was a premature delivery, so the calf didn't survive. But she is an adult and she is just a meter tall. She's not going to go taller than that. So this is supposedly one of the breeds that comes from south, the Gidda breed. Okay, in Konkan belt it's called Konkan Gidda. Down south it is called Malnad Gidda and so on. Mysore Gidda and so on. So, okay. She's a spotless black cow. She doesn't have even a white bit, pure black. Her fur, her nose, her horns, her hoofs, her tail is black. She's not at all aggressive, she's very friendly. So this is a Gir breed. Okay, if you see they have a flat forehead, long drooping ears and very long horns. This is the original breed from Gujarat. So these are a few bulls we have from the same breed. They're quite docile. They're friendly. They're not aggressive. This is Ram Prasad. Again, a Gir breed. So it's a typical forehead, long ears. That's the quality of the breed that we have.
Mr. Uday Deshmukh is working on products made from cow dung, urine, etc., which are 100% chemical free and organic, like mosquito repellent, roll-on balm, soaps, and other cosmetics.
This is a cow urine distillation unit where we have the boilers in which the cow urine is collected and it's given heat from the bottom. So when it boils, it turns into vapor which goes through this condensation tube through a drum of water and is collected drop by drop on the other side. So basically it is getting famous because of bio-enhancer and anti-cancer properties. It's used for human consumption and cancer prevention as well as treatment. US patents, there are 4 US patents which are having, which they have patented Indian cow urine for anti-cancer, antifungal, antibacterial and anti-helminthic properties.
Okay.
A lot of work is going on, research is going on cow urine derived from native Indian cows with its medicinal properties.
It was a wonderful experience filming these Kulagars. Many farmers like Mr. Uday use the methods of our ancestors. Valuing our ancestors' researches and keeping them alive is our duty. Goa is known for its beaches, parties and liquor, but Goa inside is very loving, caring and beautiful.